Has a friend, family member, or employee asked you to write a character letter on their behalf? In this video, I'm going to explain how to make your letter as effective as possible. Hello, my name is Abe Mashni. I'm the founding attorney of Mashni Law Criminal Defense here in Lexington, Kentucky. In my practice, I've had to explain countless times to clients' friends, family members, and employers on how to write the most persuasive, effective, and successful letter possible to help with my client's sentencing. So here are my tips. First and foremost, the letter needs to be legible. That's why I always recommend the letter to be typed. If the judge can't read all the good things that you're saying about the client, it's a waste of time and energy. Second, I like to submit all the letters together, especially if we're going to be submitting a sentencing memorandum, motion for probation, or alternative sentencing plan. So judges are human. They have lives, they have families, and their time is valuable. So why not make it as easy as possible for the judge to read all the letters in one sitting by submitting them all at the same time so the judge can review them all in one sitting. Third, while I subscribe to the philosophy that more is better, there are limits. And so what I mean by that is, at what point do we draw the line with the same letter saying the same things from different people? And so if you're going to submit multiple letters, make sure they're saying different things. Maybe one's from an employer or coworker talking about how valuable the client is to the business. Another letter could be from a pastor, another letter from a mother, another letter from a counselor. Just try to make the letters diverse to make them as effective as possible. 4, if you're going to ask for a specific sentence in the letter, make sure that it's a reasonable request. So you're going to need to consult with the client's attorney and just make sure that everybody's on the same page. So if the client is not eligible for probation and the whole goal of sentencing is just to get sentences run concurrent rather than consecutive, your letter doesn't need to be asking the judge to grant the client probation. Again, you'd just be wasting your time. A lot of times it's best to leave out a specific sentence request so that the attorney and the client can ask and just write the letter for general leniency. 5th, when writing the character letter, make sure that you explain how you know the client. This is important. How long did you work with them? How long have you known them? In what capacity? How long have you seen the client with his children? Did you know the client before they became addicted to drugs? What kind of person were they like? Providing this background information establishes credibility, which is necessary for the letter to be effective. Hope you thought this video was helpful. And as you think about writing a character letter to support a family, loved one, friend, prior to sentencing. If you have any questions about your specific criminal defense issue here in Kentucky, whether it be state or federal, please give us a call. And as always, thanks for watching.